People, me day and guys, I'm a come to talk to you today. So, rock and comment people. Who say, bad man Agadua, hurt them. You see me? Now people, I always say this, you know. It's when you want good, you know have to run. You have to go out there and work hard for what you want. And whether you want to work hard or you want to work smart, it's up to you. You see me? It's not anybody I got work at 9 to 5. Some people take it on social media and they do other things to make for them own. But you see people, you see MC is a bad mind woman. A long time, me say, she carry belly for Donna. You see me? And the reason why fear belly is so big is because she have Donna in her belly. Allegedly. This woman is so bad mind and dirty. You hear the woman pan her live. I say some bag of things about Donna. I mean I say, yo. She talk about the woman if you can take an injection and lose some weight. I mean I say, yo. Look at your steel belly. See me? Look at how you look. Look at how you put yourself together. And you call yourself big deal. See me? Waste of time. Me hear she talk say she's a green card holder. And then I can't come in our country, come disrespect her. I mean, I say, yo, the woman never call your name. The woman just talk what she want to talk. Say, she never address you directly. But you know why you it go for? That's why you pick it up. That's something else the stone connect in your head. See me, that's why you have to come out and talk when you want to talk. Say, and then now, you're a bad-minded lady. And this beef, I go a long time. A long time you eat Donna. And I just know. And I know you carry feelings towards the woman. So if the woman decides, yo, I come to America, I know you're not happy. It touch your can. It hurt you. Is that you can't believe it. I say, what? What did I do America? You gotta wish the woman bad. You say the woman have certain things and she can't come to first world country and I behave like a Jamaican. I mean, I say, yo, this is that woman here? You can know say from she and Donna friendship over. You can know say she carry feelings for the woman. Especially she knows that the lady that go to America or Jamaica. She not like it. I mean I say, yo, uno so bad mind Donna so much. Observe when she attack. She has a talk about T-Girl and Lorraine. Because guess what? The whole of them are friends. The whole of them work together. The whole of them get information from each other, and the whole of them stagnant. You see me? A lot of comparison between all them three women here. I mean I say, yo, look how the lady come America. The lady never call Marcia name for reach America. She never beg Marcia a ticket money. She never beg Marcia nothing at all. And she herself work hard with her son them and her daughter. Forget her in America. See me? And yet still, this lady come out and I talk some breeder things about the lady. Me I say, yo, that woman is hard. That woman have no heart. That woman is wicked. You see me? And she will do any little thing at all for the attention. Every little thing at all will draw the crowd and bring the views. She will call that name in her mouth. And me I say, yo, this not call for. This not necessary. That behavior on social media where she approach you, I don't like it, people. She make it look as if Donna hurt her. She make it as if Donna hurt somebody for her or take her something for her or destroy her life. You hate the woman so much. The way me see you talk for your life or some things where you talk there. Me don't want to say certain things. The way you talk or some things where you see out of your mouth. Me I say, yo, good God. That's why the country can better. That's why the world can get better because of people like Uno. Because of people like Uno. Because from the east of the radio come America, you start build content out of it. You start talk what you want to talk. Say, you start talk bad about the woman gala. And you say this and say that. Like you can do a better job. Like you can do a better job. You talk about the woman's speech. See me that she did at the meet and greet. Me I say, yo, you're a real sample. You're a real sample. And you feel as if you win. There's no winner here more than God. Because you see, when you talk, when you want to talk, say, people listen to you and them watch you and them take you in. That's why some people don't like you. That's why enough people don't follow you. Because them know say you have some dirty ways about you. Them know say you're not going to change nothing at all about you. You always have that mouth there full of beer, bad word. What the woman do to you? What the lady do to your yard to make you like you want to come talk the most bad things about the woman? When people come to your page, you make it look like say you and Donna things. Donna not answer to you. Donna not pay in your mind and thing more than the woman say. Some of them, they are fine and waste them time. I mean, I see them and you decide say you can take it up because you share talk. Because you know what's true. You know over there waste time. And when Donna come and touch American style now, it will burn you so much that you feel, you get nervous away. I mean, so you shouldn't nervous. You should never nervous. You should know, say, yo, it will come to that day one eventually. But you know your heart not clean and your mind not pure. So every little thing that Donna do, it will affect you. It will affect you. Because guess what? You is like a leech. You live off of people. So as Donna say something, you run with it. If Donna say, yo, you know, say I'm the big deal. You say, boy, I might tie because she a follow, you know, and you come out and do you want for them. I say, yo, nobody not own a slang. Nobody not own nothing at all and thing because you have artists who do song and repeat it over and sing it a different way. So nobody not really own nothing at all. See me, we not own nothing at all upon this earth here because we can pass away left everything at all. So when you come out now and say you want to set on your life and burn a fire, I say, yo, it not worth it. It not worth it. Oh, the woman alone every day. You depend on social media, talk about Donna this, Donna that. And now them things, I say, yo, you know, see, you get stupider and stupider day by day. You know, see the people laugh for you and clown you out. You look like a big bird right about now. You know, make no sense. You know, make no sense at all and thing. I mean, I say, yo, that woman didn't realize what she do. She make a fool of herself. Love out certain things alone. Make the lady live her life. If the lady want to eat 2 or 3 box food, if the lady want to look a particular way, if the lady want to go a store or something and take care of herself and thing, oh, it bother you. Oh, it bother you. Oh, it affect you. Oh, it affect you so much that you have to come out and talk about it. I say, yo, the lady has something else. A matter of time before she get herself in a trouble. She use her mouth too much. As Donna say something at all and thing. Oh, she talking. You see me? Because you know you're stagnant and you know say some road go for you. So if Donna you stagnant, you know say you. You see me? You tell them people fool. That's how fool you are because you know in yourself say when she use a particular word, it goes for you. That for sure you how your self-esteem is low. You see me? When your self-esteem is low on social media, yeah. But you must know what you want to do with your life. You must know if you want to chatting thing with the woman every day. You must know how you spend your days them on social media. Because guess what? And every day at Christmas. And every day at Christmas. And it's not every day I will be the same. See me? And you cannot spend all your life and have nothing. And yet still you argue with somebody. When I see you in a better position than you right about now. See me? You know what happened to Uno? Uno vex because they do one of them choose Donna and help her help build house in Jamaica and other things. Uno vex about that. See me? Uno like them thing there. Uno wish it was Uno. See me? And enough people food in the stop, you know. Remember, when they talk dirty about the woman and thing, Uno lawyer and tea girl. It's a matter of time before judgment reach someone. Someone too dirty and bad mind and have nowhere at all to go. But as I say, you can leave them alone at people. They must know what kind of life they want to live. They must know what they want to do in their own life and their destiny. See me? So go on and do the thing here, people. Based upon yourself, yeah, man. MC just stagnant She not gonna know it at all. So she had to decide for just cuss and cuss and cuss and cuss and cuss and cuss and cuss. See me? Bellevue war that people, so go and do the thing, yeah. Believe she will write about no people. Make sure to leave in the comment section. Be peaceful, no cursing words. Keep it positive. Stay tuned. She a mad out.